Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today I'm offering this 2019 Kia Rio. It's a very clean car with only 41,000 miles. Automatic transmission. You've got 5 seats. Power windows and locks. This thing runs and drives great. It's already got some window tint on there. This is the S model. As you can see, very, very clean exterior. Go ahead and show you the inside. Super clean car. We'll go ahead and start the car now. So it does have a Bluetooth Sirius XM radio here with apps, auxiliary and USB plug-in. It's got ice cold AC, 41,000 miles. It's got a sport mode. Go ahead and open the rest of this car. Back seats, just like super clean. Everything very, very clean. Get the trunk release real quick. Very nice. See what's underneath here. Got a spare. Nice and clean. My name is Brett. We do have this vehicle available locally and online for sale. We do end our sales and ads early for interested buyers. So if you're seeing this right now and you'd like to purchase it, please give me a call right away, directly to my cell phone, 954-258-2700. If you can't get me on the first try, please leave a voicemail or shoot me a text message. I don't want to miss your call. I get a lot of calls due to the nature of the online business. Go ahead and pop the hood real quick. The real challenge if I can do this one-handed. And we got it. All right. Underneath here, just a very, very, very clean engine bay. We have a very simple DocuSign paperwork process. When you're ready to proceed with the purchase of one of our vehicles, please give me a call or shoot me a text message. I can send all the documents via DocuSign to your email. You're welcome to pick up your vehicle in person, or of course we do offer shipping at wholesale rates. Most destinations in Florida are only a couple $100. And you'd be surprised what I can get things delivered for. If you're interested, please give me a shout, 954-258-2700. This is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics. Thank you for viewing this 2019 Kia Rio, 41,000 miles, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.